In today's video, I will be sharing a DETAN facial using ingredients straight from Indian kitchen. This DETAN facial is good for those with constant suntan and uneven skin tone. This facial gives result in just one sitting. So come, let's dive into the magic of home skincare. For first step, wash your face with your regular face wash or cleanser. This step is to remove dirt and oil from the skin. It also preps the skin for the upcoming process. Step 2 is exfoliation. Take a tomato slice, sprinkle coffee powder on it. Pour some honey on it. Spread it well. Rub the tomato slice on the face in small circular motion. The coffee grounds will remove dead skin cells while honey moisturizes and nourishes the skin. It removes the stubborn suntan and pigmentation. The acidity of the tomato juice gently exfoliates the skin, removing dead skin cells and revealing fresher, brighter skin underneath. Do the scrubbing for 3 minutes. Rinse off with water. Step 3 is massage. Take some curd, pour some honey, mix well. Massaging your face with a mixture of curd and honey can provide several benefits for your skin. Facial massage helps to stimulate blood flow to the skin, promoting better circulation. Massage relaxes tense facial muscles, reducing stress and relieving facial tension. Gentle massage movements encourage lymphatic drainage, which removes toxins and excess fluid from the facial tissues. Massaging reduces puffiness, especially around the eyes. It also promotes a more defined facial contour. The exfoliating action of curd combined with the skin brightening properties of honey evens out the skin tone and removes suntan. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture in the skin. When combined with curd, which is rich in lactic acid, this mixture provides deep hydration, leaving your skin soft and supple. The final step is a face mask. Add some grinded potatoes, and some honey. Mix them until the ingredients are well combined. Potatoes are rich in enzymes and vitamin C, which removes the suntan and brightens the skin, while honey provides hydration and a natural glow. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off. When it comes to skincare, home remedies always work. Give this DETAN Facial a try once or twice a week and watch your skin transform. Also do watch my video on skincare products to use to remove suntan for exclusive products that you can use in your morning and night skincare routine to remove suntan. Do share this video with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. Like this video and subscribe for more Beauty Made Easy awesomeness. Until then, I will see you next time. Take care. Bye. Subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.